Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clear Facebook cache. If you're trying to clear Facebook cache, the steps depend on how you use it. So, to start, open Facebook app, then click your profile in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Then from here, select settings. Next, scroll down to preferences, then look for browser. Then tap on that. Now at the top, you can see cookies and cache. So tap on clear beside it, then tap on clear to confirm the action. So clearing the cookies, cache, and storage data that Facebook saves on this device when using the in-app browser will log you out of most websites. So keeping your cookies and cache can give you a better browsing experience. So tap on clear to confirm the action, and it's now clearing cookies and cache. So just wait for it to finish, and that's it. Next, you can also delete or reinstall the app to remove its stored cache. You can also go to settings, then from here scroll down to general, then go to iPhone storage, then scroll down and look for Facebook, open it, then click offload app once more. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So tap on reinstall app to bring back your data and just wait for it to finish. Now, if you're using Android, you can open settings on your phone, then you can tap on apps, then select Facebook from there, then tap storage or storage and cache, then tap clear cache. So avoid clear data unless you want to reset the app. So once this done, open Facebook again, and that's basically it. So that's how you can clear Facebook cache. Thank you for watching.